Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So I know last week I said that I was going to try to vlog a little bit each day. Yesterday, Monday it was a lot going on yesterday, so I didn't vlog too much. But today I'm at the office. I did already record my video for this week, which is going to be the clear book bags that I showed you guys in the last vlog. So I made those book bags, and then I recorded the video. I just have to edit and get it uploaded. But what I'm about to do now is these pegboards. So a couple weeks ago, you guys saw me do the pegboards that were over here that I got from Michael's that were on sale. But for today, I got some from Ikea, and these ones are pink. So I got 4, okay? They're gonna be it's gonna be pink and white, okay? So these 2 over here are white, and then I got these are light pink, and then the other 2 are white, and they're gonna go back here behind my embroidery machine, and they're gonna go pink, white, pink, white. Okay, that's the thought process I kind of have going on right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get these open, and I'm gonna start mounting these on the wall. I have to take these ones off, pull my embroidery machine out, and get these up. So that's what I'm about to start doing. Hopefully it turns out the way I'm thinking in my head, but we'll see. Let's just start working. All right, you guys, so I have 2 of them put up. Hopefully you can kind of see where I was going with the pink and the white. I'm only going to be able to fit 1 more, so the pink one will probably go, you know, pink, and then white over there. However, it did not come with all of the hardware, which I don't understand why. It's a little weird. I did have some extra hardware to be able to mount it into the drywall already, but I only had enough for 2 of them. So I'm gonna have to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to grab some more of the drywall mounting hardware. But for now, I do have like a whole bunch of shelves and stuff that I also picked up from Ikea. So for the time being, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide my embroidery machine back over here, and then so that I can kind of see how I'm gonna put my shelves. So as far as the thread, I think I'm gonna put my thread. Should I put my thread on the pink one or the pink one over here? I think I'll put my thread on the pink one over that I put up over here. I think that's what I'll do. So for the threads, all I need is these hooks. Right, so the hook goes on it like this, and you put it on there like that. Okay, so I think I will go ahead and put my thread on the 3rd pegboard that I'm going to put right here. I'll just put all my large spools of thread there, and then I think everything else, all of the other shelves and stuff that I got, I think I will go ahead and put on these two. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, is I'm just gonna install the shelves. All right, you guys, so this is what I have so far. And I think I really, really, really like these shelves better than the hooks. What do you guys think? I think these shelves make, I think these shelves make the thread look so pretty. Now, again, I still got to get my pink one to go right here. I have to go to the store to get the hardware. But I love it so far. I really like the shelves. I think I'm going to go with the shelves instead of the hooks. I think they just look way prettier. I'm not really liking how my hoops look. I think I'm going to try to figure something else out for the hoops. But this is what I have so far. So with that being said, because I really like these shelves, I need like 5 more. No, maybe not 5. Maybe like 3 more because I'm going to move this pegboard. I don't know. I got to get the other pegboard up so I can see how I want to organize it. But nonetheless, I really like the shelves a lot, and I think I'm going to go with the shelves. You guys let me know what you think. But for today, because I have to go get my hair braided, I think I'm just going to run to Lowe's, grab the hardware, and then I have to go to my hair appointment, and then I'm going to put up the other pegboard tomorrow morning when I come in. Good morning, good morning. Today is Wednesday morning. As you can see, I did go get my hair braided yesterday. I am about to go into Lowe's to get the drywall anchors so that I can put up the third pegboard. I'm gonna get a big pack just because it's something I need to have on hand anyway. I'm still really confused as to why that hardware didn't come with the pegboards, but whatever. So I'm about to go into Lowe's, pick up the anchors for the pegboard, and then I have a few things I have to do today. I'm going to finish putting up the pegboard. I have to edit a video, and then I want to put up my, what is it called? The whiteboard. I want to start on that other wall with the whiteboard if I have time. The kids get out of school at 3 o'clock today, so I have to be done by 2:30, or I'd have to leave at 2:30 regardless if I'm done or not. So I'm going to try to get as much done before 2:30 as I can. You guys, I love it. I need to get like 2 more of these. I'll probably just end up filling up this whole thing with thread at some point, to be quite honest. And then I think I might move my hoops over here. I don't know, y'all. I'm still playing with it, but the pink and white pegboards, you guys, this looks so pretty. This thread looks so pretty sitting up there. So this is done for now. I'm gonna keep playing with it, adding to it as I accrue more supplies, things like that. More thread. Right now I have all 15 needles threaded. And then these are all the extra colors I have. So yeah, this is done for now. Again, I'm gonna, I'm adding things, subtracting things, rearranging things, but this is what I have so far. I got these way more symmetrical than I got those ones. This one is a little tiny bit off, but I did better. I did better in getting them lined up. These two are further apart than these two, but hey, I'm no contractor or nothing. I did the best I could, but so far I love it. Now I'm gonna start working on this wall over here. I'm not gonna have enough time to finish it today. I know I'm not. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of start taking this stuff down, and kind of getting the wall prepped, because I do have to get out of here to go pick up the kids from school. But what I'll start doing is taking this stuff down now, moving this stuff out the way, and then so tomorrow when I come in, I can just go ahead and put the whiteboard up. All right, so I got everything taken off the wall, vacuumed, cleaned up, all that stuff. I moved my shipping station from that corner to that corner, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and mount that right in the center. And then I'm gonna have some more space. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do down here, or if I'm gonna put more stuff on the walls along that way. I'm kind of just winging it. I know I want the whiteboard up, so I'm gonna put the whiteboard up. Once I get the whiteboard up and kind of see how everything looks, I'll go from there and see if there's anything else I want to add, whatever the case may be. Y'all, I don't, when it comes to organizing my office, I kind of just go with how I feel. I do switch around my office a lot, but I never have like a set plan. I'm kind of just like, hey, I want to move this over here. It feels better over here. That's how I kind of do things. So I'm going to put the whiteboard up, see how I feel. I do have to leave now though to go get my kids from school. So I will be putting the whiteboard up tomorrow, which will be Thursday. All right, guys. Hey, good morning. Today is Thursday. I'm in the office and I'm gonna put up my whiteboard. Y'all, I'm not for sure if I'm gonna be able to put this up by myself. It is kind of big, but I'm gonna give it the good old college try. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have a little bit of editing to do, and then that's pretty much all I'm gonna do for today. I am going out of town tomorrow, so yeah, I'm just gonna wrap up a few things here. Definitely try to get this whiteboard up, and then that'll probably be it for today. All right, you guys. So my whiteboard is set up. I love how it looks. It does look a little bare over here to me. So again, I might put up some little inspirational stuff on the walls just to make it a little bit more pretty. But I am really trying to be intentional with my time and stay organized and things like that. So I feel like this whiteboard will help me, do that. I can come in, I can see exactly what I have to do. So what I plan to do is every day before I leave, I'm going to write down things that have to get accomplished on the very next day. So that I know when I come in, I'm seeing it. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm getting done. I can stay on task. I can stay on time with the kids back in school. Sorry if you guys can hear the grass being cut outside, but with my kids being back in school, I have to make use of my time because they get out of school at 2:30. So with me going to the gym, I'm really only in the office from about 10 to 2:30. So, this will help me to stay organized and stay on task. So yeah, I like it. Definitely like it. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the wall. Yeah, y'all have any suggestions? What should I put on the wall? All right, you guys. So I actually had a whole lot of time left over, so I decided to make a file, um, which I just did here. I know it looks crazy on the computer. I'm actually not sure why it looks like that. There we go. I decided to make a quick file. CJ started soccer, and now I am testing it over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and test stitch out this file, see how it turns out, and then I'll probably do this on live on Monday, if as long as it, stitches out fine, but we'll see. All right, so I did do my test stitch, but let me show you exactly why you want to do a test stitch. Okay, so two things. One, this right here is too close, like none of the other letters are that close. I don't know how I missed this. So I need to adjust this spacing here. And then I don't know what the heck happened right here. This on the M's, it looks weird. So I gotta fix those and then retest them. I'm gonna retest stitch again after I fix these couple little things. But this is why you test stitch. You want to test stitch just to make sure everything looks good. The soccer ball looks really good. I like that. Yeah, I just have to fix the spacing here and whatever the heck that is. All right, guys, so that's all I have for this week's vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. Like, if you guys have any other type of suggestions of things you would like to see behind the scenes about, go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know. But I will see y'all next week. I'm going live on Monday. I have a pre-recorded video on Thursday, and then another vlog next week. Peace.